We exist in what I call the unified field of creation. This unified field includes nature, our DNA, and the actual universe itself. All three exist within and are created within the flower of life, which I'll discuss later in the section on the Platonic solids. The vibration of one affects the other. They all exist together. One moves, the other one feels it. One vibrates, the other one feels it. This is significant. Einstein said that in order for one body to affect another, proximity is important. The vibration will not be felt by the other without the close proximity. That's according to Einstein. Later research of that found that not to be so. Research from the Tufts Institute found that the vibration of one will transmute and transmit from one body to another. One does feel the other. This sharing of vibration is important, especially right now. We've all experienced, some have experienced, we've all witnessed what's happening on the planet Earth. We're experiencing some unusual extreme weather patterns. Tornadoes, volcanoes, earthquakes, floods, winds. Extreme, not common. These are not caused by climate change. These are caused by the earth cleansing itself of bad actions of people on the earth. I saw this over a year ago. The earth is cleansing itself. God and nature are wringing us out like a washcloth after a shower. In addition to that, the sun is bombarding the earth with solar flares. The sun feels this negative activity on earth and it's reacting. Tarkan Toku, I think I pronounced his name right, in his book Sacred Dimensions of Time and Space, said that the sun, the constellation of which the sun is a part of, is the same geometric pattern as nature and our DNA. Thereby, the reactions of the sun is reflecting what's happening on Earth. Again, these are caused by the cleansing of the earth, negative activities, not climate change. The geometric pattern of the universe is the flower of life. I'll discuss that more in the section on the Platonic solids, which I think is next. It has a geometric pattern that has a resonance to it, which is the same as the resonance of nature in our DNA. We are all connected to the universe by geometric patterns. It has a pulse, as our breath has a pattern. Our breath and the geometry of the universe, the resonance of the universe, are together. They resonate in the same pattern. Not the same rate, but the same pattern. There's a meditation technique called Sudarshan Kriya. It's called Yoga of Breath. It's a rhythm of breath patterns it's a different rhythm of breath patterns than normal breathing. That is the connection we have to our universe. Our breath is our connection to the universe and to life. I heard a lecture one time by Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Sri Sri was saying that, think about this. He said, as we're born, our first act of life is our first breath. Our last act of life is our last breath. Very simple. First breath, last breath. In between is our life. This is where we exist. This is our connection to God, our breath. Our breath holds the rhythmic patterns of our Akashic records from our lifetimes. It's very delicate, very precious. We must take care of our breath. The pulsations, the rhythm of the universe is the presence of God. This is where God lives, where God exists. Our breath is connected to God by the rhythm of our breath, coincidence with the rhythm of the vibration of the universe. It is all connected. The mysteries of God, the magic of God, lies beyond that. That's well beyond my knowledge, my experience. Sacred geometry is only the bridge between the physical world in which we live and the spiritual world we seek. It is not a substitute for our practice of prayer, meditation, and our own path that we seek Christ consciousness. Sacred geometry is an aid. It's a tool to get there. When we design our architecture with the patterns of sacred geometry, we bring spirit, the spirit of Christ consciousness, into our living space, helping us to achieve and advance along our path to Christ consciousness.